I'm making Branzino Marechiara, which is, Branzino is a Mediterranean fish. It's a white flaky fish. And we're gonna make that Marechiara, which is with olive oil, white wine, garlic, a touch of tomato, and fresh basil. So what we do, we're gonna get the pan on. I have some garlic, which we're just gonna slice up. And we're gonna put that in the frying pan with a little olive oil. When I'm making a sauce of any kind, I start it in a cold pan. That would be a way of getting the most flavor out of the garlic if you start with a cold oil, cold pan. If you start with a sizzling hot pan with sizzling hot oil and you put the garlic in, it will sizzle up and you won't get a lot of flavor out of the garlic that way. So I leave the garlic in like big enough pieces so if you don't want to eat it, you can just push it aside or pick them out. So once that's brown, I have white wine. A touch of tomato. These are San Marzano tomatoes. Just a little touch. Some broth. And we're gonna season that with a little oregano, a little pepper, and some salt. And we're gonna place the fish in the frying pan. A little bit of basil. I add a little basil while it's cooking, and then at the end I add some more basil just to give it some freshness. And we're gonna cover it. And we're gonna let that simmer. It shouldn't take too long, maybe about 8 minutes. Okay, now let's go check if this is ready. Looks pretty good. So now we're just gonna plate it. So all that created like a delicious sauce that you just want to pour right on top. Now we're just going to garnish with a little bit of basil. And here it is. Bronzino Marechiara.